Have you ever wondered if the price of Bitcoin is about to explode again? We are just one step away from a gigantic buy signal, a golden cross. Whenever this phenomenon appears, the price of Bitcoin historically enters a significant bullish phase. Could history repeat itself once again? Let's take a look at all the details, from Bitcoin's historical cycles to what's happening in the markets now, with a look at what the future might bring. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Before we dive into the forecasts, let's clarify what a golden cross is and why it is so important. A golden cross occurs when a short-term moving average, such as the 50-day moving average, crosses upwards over a long-term moving average, such as the 200-day moving average. This indicates a change in trend, signaling a potential bullish phase in the market. Conversely, a death cross occurs when the short-term moving average crosses down from the long-term moving average, signaling a bearish phase. These technical signals are followed by many traders because they provide a clear view of changes in market momentum. Every time we have seen a golden cross on the Bitcoin chart, especially on the 2-month chart, it has preceded strong price rallies. Let's do a quick historical review. 2012, the golden cross marked the beginning of one of Bitcoin's first significant bull runs. 2016, once again, the price rose rapidly after the golden cross occurred. 2020, we have seen a massive surge that has led Bitcoin to reach new all-time highs. Now, in 2024, we are facing the same pattern. And the question we are all asking is, will it happen again? Will we see another significant rally in Bitcoin? Not only is the golden cross about to happen, but there is also other fundamental news that is creating an extremely positive environment for Bitcoin. In the last 24 hours, we have seen a major regulatory development from the United Kingdom, which has legally recognized cryptocurrencies as personal property. This is a very positive sign, as it makes it clear that governments are starting to see the value of cryptocurrencies in the global financial system. In addition, we have seen a positive influx of Bitcoin-related ETFs, another sign that institutional investors are returning to this digital asset. Financial institutions have started accumulating Bitcoin again, and this is often a leading indicator of bullish movements in the market. Let's move on to the chart. The golden cross we are talking about is based on a 2-month chart. This type of technical analysis is generally considered more reliable than shorter timeframe charts, such as daily or weekly, because it reduces noise and provides a clearer view of long-term trends. In the past, whenever this golden cross has occurred on this specific chart, we have seen the price of Bitcoin rise dramatically. So, could we be on the verge of another significant rally? The odds seem high, although of course, nothing is ever guaranteed in the cryptocurrency world. It is important to note that not all golden crosses are tradable. It depends on the moving average used and the market context. For example, it would not make sense to trade based on a golden cross that occurs between a daily and a 2-day moving average. The most reliable signals are based on longer time frames, such as our 2-month chart example. Another thing to consider is that while the golden cross is usually a bullish signal, it is still a lagging indicator. This means that there may have already been a price rally before the signal becomes apparent. However, with the current situation, it seems that there is still room for growth after the golden cross. Despite a less than stellar summer for the cryptocurrency market, we are now in a very different place. Positive regulatory news, ETFs, and growing institutional accumulation create the perfect backdrop for a market recovery. Additionally, we are in a pre-halving phase, a historically bullish period for Bitcoin. Many experts believe that the next rally could take us to new all-time highs, especially considering that we are still at much higher levels than expected at this stage of the cycle. Another factor to watch is the behavior of institutional investors. Recent news about ETF inflows indicates that institutions are accumulating Bitcoin. This is a very positive sign, as institutions tend to move large amounts of money and heavily influence the market. In 2020, for example, the entry of institutional investors played a crucial role in pushing the price of Bitcoin to new all-time highs. Today, we see the same phenomenon repeating itself, which could mean that we are once again on the path to a bull phase. If history teaches us anything, it is that Bitcoin tends to follow well-defined cycles. The golden cross on a 2-month chart is a powerful signal, which has led to significant rallies in the past. With positive regulatory news, growing institutional interest, and a favorable macroeconomic backdrop, there is good reason to believe that the price of Bitcoin could soon rise even higher. However, it is always important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable. Even if all signs seem to point to a rally, nothing is guaranteed. So, stay updated, continue to monitor the market, and take the time to do your research before making any decisions. In conclusion, we are at a critical moment for Bitcoin. The golden cross is a powerful signal and has historically led to strong bullish moves. With the support of fundamental factors such as institutional interest and favorable regulation, the backdrop seems perfect for a new bull run. With that said, thanks for following us this far. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news in the crypto world and not waste a crypto adventure, hit that follow button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.